Hey bros, what's going on? This is Cotton Man. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because subscribing makes you feel good.
Driving around Fort Lauderdale, Wilton Manors area, and this looks like it's a brand new condo building right in the center of Wilton Manors, which is an up-and-coming neighborhood in Fort Lauderdale. Totally brand new development. It's a very quiet area. Wilton Manors is the #1 gayest city in the whole United States. Even police force is gay here, so I heard. It's nice and quiet. It's full of canals, surrounded by canals, as you can see over there. You can take a kayak. Quiet streets. It doesn't look like much, but none of it is cheap. It's quite expensive actually. Yeah, this building is coming up. Is just recently been developed and open. This is very nice and quiet street. See, I personally like this architecture. It's using stonework and just some painted panels, stone, metal, and wood. All the elements, and it's for sale. And it's right next door to a little park where you can walk your dog, play with your kids. And we're driving on a US 1, which looks like it's been closed on the other side. But I just wanted to show you guys this brand new developments that are coming up. This section of US 1 is full of small businesses, like right there, where they really need to go, because this real estate is way too priceless to be wasted on this little shops that coming out of fashion, like vinyl record shops, pet grooming, fitness, liquor bar. So we're gonna show you this brand new buildings that are coming out here. Can I go here? Yeah. Okay. So, a lot of this architecture. Multicolor. This is gonna be like a small city within a city. See how they're using wood, metal, and concrete together. Let's see if I can go left here. So this is probably a heart of Fort Lauderdale. This is like a downtown area. Nice and clean street. Oh, look at this little cute house. Oh wow. Check this out. Another building that looks like it's almost brand new. You know, all those construction sites, they're gonna clean it up nicely soon. And trust me, this building right here, for example, one bedroom would cost about $2,000 a month to lease. Just about that. But they do make good deals. They give you first month free, for example, or last month free, and you subtract that from the year lease, and all of a sudden you paying, instead of $2,000, you paying, let's say, $1,500 a month, which is not bad. It's a brand new building also. So this building's on the left. They've been around for maybe like 5 years already. And before, the streets was, it's not ghetto, but it was really nothing here. And look how beautiful they made it now. It's like you can enter your house right from here, from the street. You can park your car from the street and look. It's like living in a house. You park right here and that's your door. If you live in the first floor. If you don't live on the first floor, you have to use the main entrance, I'm sure. But look, it's nice. I can see myself living in this place. Although this side, they've probably never seen the sun. It's just that kind of in between. So yeah, I looked into these houses too, and it's about $2,000 a month for 1-bedroom apartment. I think it's charming. None of this was here 5 years ago. Fort Lauderdale downtown area. See that one over there? The first floor is using a stone. You see how nice it is? I have to say, the new buildings, architecture is very nice. Whoever they choose for architect, it makes the city looks better. Imagine if all buildings would look like this, right? It's gonna be nice. And we're in the back side of the buildings. Oh, that's so cute. The guy has a telescope there. I don't know what he's trying to see. There's a house right across the street, black and everything. And there's a new development that's coming up over there. It's already leasing. And inside there, let's go over there. Let's see what's there. Oh my God, I remember this street. It was so ghetto here. Now look at this. They just put one house like that. Nice pedestrian walk. Put some palm trees, and now you can walk here at night and feel safe. And look at this one also. Where's the street? Yeah, this is starting to look just like Miami downtown, which is super expensive. The Brickell area. And this is what they're trying to accomplish. They're gonna make this downtown just as desirable, with a big lot there. Just as desirable and expensive as downtown in Miami. Including the traffic. They're gonna bring traffic here too, I'm sure. Oh, look at these cute balconies. Oh, I love it. So we're officially in the center of downtown. All these big buildings have been here for a while. So we're going to continue our tour downtown Fort Lauderdale. The SunTrust building. It's the AutoNation building. Guys make billions and billions. All this prime real estate. Las Olas. This is a famous street. Alluvion. It's a nice name for the building. So we cross on the canal here actually with a big, oh look at that building. I think that's called Symphony if I'm not mistaken. Or not. Oh look at this full glass. Look at that building. All glass. I don't know if we can go through here or not. Let's try. Alright, and we are back in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. So many new developments. None of this was here just years ago. few years ago. This is new Regatta building. Look how pretty this is. Oh my god, yes. I can see myself living there. Regatta. With 2R. Regatta, or maybe 3. And there's some canals. There's some big buildings there. Okay, let me go here and I'll show you this beautiful fountain that is lights up at night. It's pretty. Okay, and I'm gonna show you West Las Olas. It's a district where all the bars, clubs, at night it's full of people. You cannot even move here. So today is Sunday morning. We just had breakfast and we are in West Las Olas. See this completely empty street? Was rocking last night. Probably, I would assume it would be just full of people here that you cannot even move. And I already cleaned it up. This is a nice place for breakfast. I had breakfast there before. And we are, oh, this is one of the breakfast actually. So people like sitting in the yard. Yeah, it's nice. So on my right, this is IMAX 3D theater and a science museum. I'll try to show you a little bit inside. Science museum. Little thing there. It's fun for kids. You know what? I think we can park here and take a little walk. How about that? I'll show you the waterfront. Okay, so I'm going to show you the Museum of Discovery and Science. It looks like it's closed. Although this beautiful morning on Sunday, it should be full of people and kids playing. So this thing is perpetuum mobile, as they call it. It's the engine that doesn't stop, ever. And it looks like it stops. So they have those balls that push in each other and it goes on and on and on, moving the clock. And it's unstoppable. Oh, so they say. And if you need some money, you can always come here. Oh, it is open. It is kind of open. What is that thing? They're selling campers now? Huh. Okay. Okay, we just looked at the Museum of Science and it looks empty inside, so we decided not to go. So I'm going to take you straight to the waterfront, which is over there, and that is our performance arts center, where you can go and watch opera, a Broadway play. I've seen what was that Broadway play that was here 2 years ago? Forgot. So good, smells so good in here. This is a perfect place to walk your dog, bring your kids, even bring a towel, and Megan is going crazy. She's so happy. Okay, so all these bricks have names and dates. So you can see it's hundreds, maybe thousands of names, and each brick represents a person that did something, some sort of donation for this to come about. So for us to enjoy and walk, this is their memorial, I guess. I don't know. So we're gonna go closer to the water, and this is one of the Fort Lauderdale canals. Those yellow boats over there, those are water taxis. So basically for 20 bucks or so per person, you can hop on, hop off, take a water taxi, and it'll take you through many canals in Fort Lauderdale. They have many stops. I don't know how many, but a lot. Stops every like 10 minutes or something like that. You can even go to the grocery store taking a water taxi, so I heard. And it's a nice excursion because the guy that works there, he talks about history of Fort Lauderdale, talks about houses we pass by, some celebrities that own those houses, some mega mansions pass by, mega yachts, tells you who owns what and what kind of business they're in. Makes you think that, oh, you're in your own business. So that's the Performance Arts Center with a nice, what used to be an Italian restaurant. I don't know what is it now. I cannot even pronounce it. Huizenga. Excuse me, my French. Do you want to go see inside, closer to Performance Center? Back veranda. You can tell it's a Performance Arts Center by the sculptures and monuments that they have here. A bunch of violins. Amaturo Theater. Aurene Theater. Yeah, probably this place is closed right now, because on a Sunday like this, it will be something going on here and will be full of people. It looks empty. Probably some of these things are still yet to reopen. But I've been here a few times, and it's just full of people and fun. All these fountains supposed to work, the bar. This place used to be full of people, full of beautiful cars parked here, Bentleys, Rolls Royces, you know, valet right in front, and big line to get in, you know. And there's a special door for members of the JetBlue Club. We'll take you to, if you're a member of the JetBlue Club, which I was a member once, it's a separate door to enter. You take you to a separate level with a separate restaurant with free food before you watch the show. Free food. It was actually pretty good. It's like almost like a restaurant food, not the menu, but kind of a buffet. So that building over there, guess what it's called? The name, every building has a name, right? And that building called Symphony, like Sinfonia. Because look, you're close to the Symphony Art Center. Oh, look at the big yacht passing. Okay, so it's not that big, but I think it's about 75 foot big. Life for Sale. Oh my god, the name of the boat called Life for Sale. I'm not sure what that means. Oh, look at this nice and polished wood. Oh. And there's a boat chasing it. It's so small compared to that one. But it wants to be big one day. Oh, that monument, I'm not sure I like. It looks like a memorial thing. But look, even the benches are like brand new. Nice and polished. Everything is so clean. Grass is green. It's vacuumed and washed with shampoo. Even this lizard looks clean. Yeah, that's the building and that's the name. The Symphony. I actually know somebody that lives in that building. So I've been inside, and to be honest, that building, this is where I first time saw the Lincoln Continental car parked in that building, in the garage. And I remember the lights were hitting it so good, and it was a silver color, but with the lights it impressed me so much that after that it was in my mind, I want Lincoln Continental, I want Lincoln Continental, and I got it. So yeah, it's all started here in this building. Those yachts across the canal, a little bit bigger and a little bit more modern. I love how the boats named in a funny way. So this is how you spell shipwreck. And this is a Regal boat. Looks like it's 44.6 feet. Regal, it's a pretty good brand for mid-size boats. And looks like this one will have a nice size cabin with 3 windows. Walk around. Convertible, very nicely capped. Looks very, very clean and new. A little barbecue there. A table. This is all you need. It's not too small, not too big, so it's not going to be too expensive to maintain. Like this is, for example, this is a little bit too small, right? So this is just to ride, but there's no cabin, no toilet, no shower, no kitchen. That will have probably 2 rooms, 1 bedroom inside here. Yeah. It will probably have 2 rooms. One will be a bedroom and one will be something smaller, but it's pretty wide. All right, let's keep going. This is another brand called Prestige. Looks like it's 39 feet long. And that actually has a real glass door.
I love that one. Look.
What?
Baby. That one.
Yeah. Poor house. Poor house. So this looks like it's I don't know if this has been restored or is this just made to look like old-fashioned retro. No, it looks new. Actually, no, this is a new boat. It just make it look like old-fashioned. But look at this tiny door. How do you even get in? How can you even open that?
I nothing. It's for
No, it's a door.
Maybe the window.
No, it's a door. Oh wait, it slides. It doesn't open like this. It slides.
Okay.
That's how you get in. But you can walk around. This is called walk around. And look at the what do you call this gauge? I forgot. But it is outside.
Yeah, I know.
This shows you direction. We're going northwest, compass. That's it, compass. Okay, Karina. That's easy. Looks nice and cozy inside. Nice convertible top. This will also have, this is 36 feet. And this is a Sea Ray. It's not the most expensive one, but Sea Ray is not bad either. Okay, it looks like we cannot continue over there. It's closed, so we're gonna go back. So that one looks like a probably 100-foot. And so is that one. Let's go back. This is one of the stops for the water taxi boat, which is the yellow one. And this is a nice walkway here just to enjoy the shadowy street. People are starting to wake up. It's Sunday morning, like 9:30. People starting to get out, looking for a place to eat. And start a beautiful day in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Perfect weather. I think it's about 80 degrees outside. It has a little bit of a breeze, so it's not hot yet. This place here has been abandoned and closed for many years. Probably as far as back as I remember. I've been here first time maybe like 10-15 years ago, so it was like that. But it looks like it could be great opportunity. There's a bar here, there's some dancing here, some tables, there's a restaurant, and you can even rent things on top. And this is the view. Perfect for the restaurant. Like this one, for example. Let's just get into open. Nice. Oh, this is gonna be so cute, this restaurant. You guys just opening up? You just opening up?
Well, no, noon.
Noon. What's the name of this place?
The River House?
River House. Wow. Is this new? Just opened recently?
No. We're only open on the weekends.
Oh, really?
Maybe that's why.
Oh, I never seen it open. That's why.
Yeah.
What kind of food?
We have both vegan and a non-vegan menu.
Okay.
So, yeah,
Beautiful. Looks like a historic building or something.
What's that?
Looks like a historic building or something.
Yes, it's a 120-year-old building.
120 years old
Actually,
building.
both houses, and then we're connected in the center with a kitchen.
Very cool.
Yeah, they connected it in the 70s and turned it into a restaurant.
We should try it. I love this location.
Long.
Look at this. And that's a smaller river boats to water taxi slash. There's another Pirate Republic place across the street. Place that loved by boaters. You can bring a boat, tie it, and have a drink. It's like a nice little place for, I don't know, for what, a wedding? I love street clocks like that. Very old-fashioned, but it just gives a street certain charm. Ice cream.
Morning.
Good morning. Fort Lauderdale History Center and Museum. A little mobile coffee place. This anchor from early 19th century. British Admiralty anchor. A real thing. Museum is open. There's a little sale here on the street today. A little drawing bridge. Very charming and quiet and beautiful place to start your Sunday. And now we're still here in Las Olas in Fort Lauderdale downtown, and trying to make, oh, this is stop. What am I waiting for? I didn't know, thought it was a light. So I'm going to show you this building. Oh, it's right behind me. I have to make a quick U-turn because I need to show you this building. U-turn. It's supposed to be a Bank of America building that I wanted to show you. Where is it? We found Bank of America building. It's hiding over there. Let me just open this roof. That's Bank of America building. At night, it lights up with a pyramid on top. All Bank of America buildings have pyramids on top. And every big city, Fort Lauderdale, Miami, Los Angeles, Denver, Houston, New York, they all have the same built American bank building with pyramid on top. Built by the same architect, Masonic architect. And all of those buildings measure exactly 555 feet tall. 555, it's a sacred number for Masonic architecture. So I assume that architect that built that was Masonic architect. But the most interesting thing about that is that not only is 555 feet tall, the physical address of that building, street address, is 555. So, is it a coincidence? I don't think so. Well, let's close it. I'm gonna park here and just gonna look at more boats.
Hey bros, what's going on? This is Cotton. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because subscribing makes you feel